What's up, everybody? Mr. Randall right here, kicking it with
Logan Finsley.
Logan Finsley. Look what Logan Finsley got going on here. Look, that is not a Mirage, bro. Those are some big ass subwoofers. And we about to get in here and get beat the fuck up by it. Let's see what it's looking like. Look at that. This is too real. Too real. Hold up. What up, bro? You want to announce yourself?
Oh, no.
No? All right. Here we go. Look, you got it all lined up and everything.
Everyone ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Sundown audio too, baby.
I don't know what the fuck these niggas talking about. Niggas stand there on goddamn lane for real. Shit, that's what I do. Fuck wrong with you niggas. Niggas talking bullshit every time I come around.
This shit right here trying to hurt people's feelings.